loss of strength even, sometimes lifting things, and it seems to run me down.
Okay, so here are Tim's x-rays. Can definitely see why he's having arm pain with this yellow line here. That's his angular rotation. That is a big misalignment. There's a lot of tension in there. And you can see that's measuring 7.5 degrees. Atlas laterality, these lines here, about 4 1/4, a little bit of head tilt, but this here, we gotta get this line over substantially and get this line down, and then he's gonna feel a whole lot better. He has no rotation in the neck, so this is gonna be the key to getting him relief, and absolutely looking at this, I'm confident we can help him.
All right, so Tim, you see head off center, leaning a little bit. Scale's not bad, so his not much pelvic distortion. But we got to get that head and neck center. You can see that neck leaning up and to the right with the shoulders kind of shifted off center, and that's creating a lot of that arm pain he's experiencing. So we've got to get that centered. Okay, next supine leg check. You can see right leg short. So we've got to clear that so the body relaxes. And if they have an ankle problem, you can check, or a foot problem, you can check the ankles, the malleolus, or you can even come up to the knees and feel, because it's a whole leg contraction, you can even feel the muscular tension. You can feel this right leg is just especially in that IT band, it's really taut. So we've got to clear that. All right, so for Tim, we got to have him lay on his left side. Patient placement is crucial. We've got to make sure that neck is nice and relaxed and the whole spine is in a good position. Yeah, that feels good. And then he needs a sharp headpiece, so we've got to drop that down a bit. If the headpiece isn't proper, in the right position, you'll never clear it. You can have everything else right, but that component, it just won't work. There, that feels nice and relaxed for Tim. Okay. Now you can see his legs are relaxed, that right leg is dropped. It's even with the left, and you can feel it. And you can feel the knees. And yeah, you can feel that IT is relaxed quite a bit. So that's the first objective indicator that the body's been cleared and put in alignment. The arm and the ways that bother it. Any change?
Yeah, it's better here, a little bit here yet.
Okay. Beautiful. Head nice and centered.
Quick review, this is where Tim was, 7.5 degrees right here. And now you can see it is this upper line, almost level, a little kicked up on the right. This measurement here, much, much less, about 2 degrees instead of 7.5. So that's really nice. Still a little bit of head tilt, not perfectly centered, but way, way better. You see lots of times as the body rests, it stabilizes more. So we'll check him in a week.
From when you started, what percentage would you say the arm is better?
There's nothing here, so
that's totally gone?
Yeah.
How's the energy been?
Better, good.
How's painting? Good?
Good, yes.
Awesome.